Across industries, routine maintenance inspections and physical security patrols are essential. But today, they're often inefficient, costly, and can put employees at risk, requiring humans to spend their time looking for issues rather than resolving them. With Levatas AI, there's a better way. Our platform integrates with drones, robots, cameras, and other advanced sensors, capturing critical insights across industrial facilities, energy grids, and public spaces. In real time, Levatas AI interprets what those devices see, from detecting thermal anomalies and reading gauges, to enabling faster storm response and wildfire prevention outcomes, to automating perimeter patrols that scan for unauthorized people and vehicles. And with predictive trend analysis, the platform can help identify risks before failures occur, giving teams the foresight to act sooner. When an issue is detected, Levatas generates an instant alert, delivered directly to the right person with the information needed to take action. The result? Fewer failures, faster responses, safer and more secure outcomes. Levatas is the most trusted name in AI for asset maintenance and physical security inspections, already deployed across multiple industries with leading customers. Schedule a demo to see it in action at levatas.com.